Today we're going to be taking a look at the Potensic Firefly A20. A classic little quadcopter right here. Pretty nice. Let's check it out. Let's check into it. This is the one I'm going to give to Bob so he can train steering on. Because these little ones like this with the altitude hold, they're really good for training somebody how to steer and stuff like that. So here is what comes in the box right here. It's very simple stuff here. Thank you card. Now I have never had any luck with any of these Potensic. They sent me a couple different models before and they both were terrible at battery life. They just were awful. Here's the manual. Here's the two batteries they give you. They are very small. 180 milliamp hour 3.7s. Then they give you the charger and some spare props, which you're probably not going to be using the spare props that much. There's a little on and off switch there. There's a light there in the front. And that's about it, basically. Let's pop one of these batteries in here. Let's see how it's going to go that way. With the little bar facing up. And it does have an on and off switch. Okay, I'm going to have to put the battery in first. I think I did that before. And then plug the plug in. Indeed, and then getting this to close, I remember it being somewhat of a nuisance. There it goes. Okay, so that's it. Here's the on and off switch right here. Let's turn that on. Here's the transmitter. So it's bound up. Let's see, there's the level calibration down and to the right. I thought I saw it flash. Yes, indeed. Okay, here's the high and low on this one. This one does not have a flips. It doesn't do flips. Not that I know of. I don't think it does, to be honest with you. But we're going to take off and see what happens. Let's try it out. Wow, it's quiet as a mouse. Okay. Okay, so you heard the 3 beeps, so it's got 3 rates. Let's put it back in the first, well, let's go to the second rate for in this small kitchen. Maybe the 3rd rate. Now on the other side of that is the headless mode. Let me bring it down. So there is a headless mode. Let me see what this little button here does here. Hold on. Oh, that's the trim button. That's right. You hold that in. Okay, see it's drifting off there to the left. So you would hold in this stick and then move this stick to trim it out. You see it's slowing down a little bit. There it goes. So that's what that is. That's the trim. And these other buttons over here on this side, they're just dummies. So you know a quadcopter flies good? When you can maneuver it in a small kitchen like this. You can actually steer it in here. So it's pretty nimble, but you have to be in the 3rd rate. You're not going to be able to steer it like this. Okay, now I've done crashed it. You're not going to be able to steer it real nimbly unless you're in the 3rd rate, because the turning radius isn't going to be fast enough. I'll put the flight time in there. I just charged the battery, so. Yeah, it flies great. This is great to learn on here. I'm dying to know how long this 180 milliamp hour battery is going to last. What range? You're looking at it, huh? You're like, I want to eat some Potensic. Oh, call the doctor. Now it's kind of drifting back toward me a little bit. Let me trim the forward out of it. There it goes. There it goes. Okay. I wonder if me bumping into that thing threw the trim out a little bit. That's kind of weird. Usually the trim will get all screwed up if you crash violently, but that was just like a little bump. Come on over here. Yes, Range. Range is scoping it out. He's like, let me have it. Look at him. Range says, I don't like that thing. Get out of here with that. He's taking off. Okay, well, I'm trying to get that. And look at that. That trim, it got messed up again from that bump. Look at it. Now it's going that way. Battery seems to be lasting a long time, man. Holy cow. It'd be nice if it did flips, but can't have everything. I mean, not that I really give a crap about flips, but the kiddies like them. Okay, the battery warning's going off, as you see. But we'll try to juice it to get the maximum battery life out of it. We'll just ride it down to nothing. I have another battery in case it explodes. I think I had one like this before, but it wasn't Potensic. Yeah, good. Flies great, man. Great little flyer, no doubt. Might try it outside too. I want to try a few of these outside before I give them away. So, all right, guys, there you go. The Potensic A20 comes with an extra battery. I'll see if I can find a cheap link for it. I don't have a sponsored link for this thing because I paid for this. It wasn't 12, 13, 20 bucks at the most. All right, guys, there you go. Have a nice day.